we shall be celebrating the feast of Christmas sooner. And Christmas reminds us of the arrival of the Son of God on earth. 2000 years ago, when the Son of God came into this world as the Savior of the world, as the Redeemer of the world, He came into a family, very, very significant and very, very symbolic. Why did He come into a family? Because He wanted to begin the work of redemption from a family. And we know today, my dear brothers and sisters, families all over the world are in need of redemption. Families are crumbling all over the world, very especially those so-called developed countries and developed places. Families are in still greater crisis. Human relationships broken. Husbands, wife living apart. It's a serious situation. So we remember that Jesus came into a family because if family is redeemed, the society is redeemed. If family is redeemed, humans are redeemed. Therefore, the need for us to redeem the family needs to be redeemed. In the Gospel of Luke, we have a beautiful example. The example of the person of Zacchaeus in Luke chapter 19. We read about him that he was a chief tax collector and very rich. And he wanted to see who Jesus was. And yet he was a short man and therefore he could not see him. All the time Jesus had a crowd around him. So he decided to see Jesus. He ran ahead of Jesus and the crowd and sat on a tree waiting to see Jesus. And when Jesus reaches there, he tells him, Zacchaeus, come down, for I must stay with you today. That was the response to Zacchaeus for his adventurous thing that he did. Jesus responded. He said, I must stay with you today. The solution for your problem, Zacchaeus, is not seeing me, but I must stay with you. And I would say, my dear brothers and sisters, the solution for our families today is that God stays in our lives, in our families. Christ stays in our families. The Gospels say that Zacchaeus welcomed Jesus happily into his own home. He welcomed happily Jesus into his home. And you know, it's a beautiful thing. On the way, people started grumbling, this man is going to be a guest in the house of a sinner called Zacchaeus. But Jesus did not mind. And further we read, Zacchaeus hearing the people, he declares before Jesus, yes, Lord, I am a sinner, I accept. But I am willing to give up half my property to the poor and those whom I have deceived, I have defrauded. I am ready to pay them back 4 times more. And Jesus enters into his house, into his family. And Jesus says, today salvation has come into this house. Zacchaeus was very wise when Jesus proposed to him, I must stay with you today. Zacchaeus made space in his family and in his heart for Jesus to stay. Anything that hindered the stay of Jesus, he removed. He knew it was his own wealth that was hindering peace in his family, that was hindering God's presence in his family. And he removed and made Jesus the center of his family. And salvation came into his house. My friends, this is exactly to happen in our lives, in our families. When we also make such options in our lives, in our family lives, for Jesus, you will find salvation will come into our house. Liberation and redemption will come into our house. I pray for every family today that the Lord blesses every family with the generosity and openness to welcome Jesus into their lives.